What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Let's just jump into the look. So this is a glitter cut crease. It has basically all the colors of the rainbow. We have our yellows, oranges, pinks, purples, blue, green, back to yellow. We have no red though, but we have a pink. So does that count? I think so. Anyways, we don't have any blush or any glow today, just a standard clear lip because we didn't want to take away from the glitter. I know, this is super cute, right? My makeup game has really come a long way in the 6 months that I've been doing this channel, and I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for joining me and joining along on this journey. You know, practice makes perfect. We're not perfect yet, but we're still striving to be a better us. So again, thank you to you guys, shout out to you, and yes, if you guys are interested to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. But before you do so, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we love you and we need you, and you're on the journey with us, so you might as well join the glam fam, right? Yes. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. Starting out, we have already done our brows and primed our lids, so we're going to go ahead and jump into our Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going for that nice blue. When we apply this blue, we are doing our first color of our base. So basically what you want to do is try to fill up the space for your crease, and you're just going to apply that blue basically to the middle part of the lid. Don't go too high, don't go too low, because we're going to have different colors in each of those places. So just define your crease, make it saturated, and then we're going to move on. The next color we're adding to our base is that nice forest green, and when we add this green, it's going to go basically on top of that blue, but you're going to try to blend them together. So it's going to go it's going to be blue blended into the green, blended into the other color. So make sure, like I said, you want to have this color really heavily saturated. You want to see the green, but you want to make sure that it's blended into the blue really nicely. The whole point of this whole eyeshadow look is blending. Okay, so for the last color of this horizontal blend, I guess you can say, is that nice lemon yellow, and this is going to be like the very top part of our eyeshadow base. So it's really going to be hard to get the placement of this color right. So you're going to have to go back and forth between your yellow and your green. That way each one of them stands out on its own. So here I'm just trying to pack on that nice yellow, and then I'm going to go back and blend each one of those colors together. So now we're going to go ahead and start our cut crease. This is a white concealer by Conceal, and just like always, you're going to pack on that product, you're going to find that crease line, and then you're going to block that out. And now it's important for this one is you don't want to go too high into the blue, because you still want that a little sliver of that blue to peek out. So just make sure that your line placement is really accurate on here. So now we have cut our crease. We are going to go back into the Afrique palette. We're going to go back into that lemon yellow, and now we're going to start the second base for our eyeshadow build on the cut crease. This lemon yellow is going to go start off being in the like furthest inner corner of your eye, and you really want to pack that on because we're putting yellow on top of white, so it's really going to be hard to see. So again, just pack on a lot of that yellow pigment onto your eye. Alright, now it's time to switch it up. We're going to switch to our Zulu palette, and this time we're going to go for that nice, beautiful orange. Now, this orange is going to blend into the yellow. So what I'm doing here is I'm just packing on the color first, just so I can get like the placement correct. And then I start to move back and forth as I blend between that yellow and that orange. Now that we have our nice orange in place, we're going to start to blend in that nice, I guess it would be like a magenta pink-ish type thing. You don't want to bring this all the way out to the corner because we're going to have another color there, but we're going to blend from that orange into that pink. So the pink won't really stand out by itself, but it's just used as a blending transition color. Now we're going to go into that purple, and this purple is actually going to be the color that's in the corner. So we're going to blend from that pink into that purple, and from that purple it's going to kind of blend into that background of that dark blue that we had previously. Now, as you can already see, like everything is coming together. It looks like a nice sunset from that yellow into that orange into the pink into the purple, and that's what we want. So now, like I said, I want that blue to shine a little bit more. So I'm going back into the Afrique palette. I'm going into that blue just to blend the corners together a little bit better, because I don't want there to be like a nice harsh line between those colors. So now, as you can see, I'm using my finger to basically go back and blend all of those colors together. That way you don't see like any hard lines. Now it's time to add my favorite thing, my absolute favorite. We're gonna add our glitter. So I have 3 different colors here. I have a yellow gold, I have like an orangish gold, I have a hot pink, and then I have a purple. So those are all the glitters that we're gonna use together. I'm putting in that base booster, like a glitter adhesive, all over my lid. That way the glitter has something to stick to, obviously. So then I go ahead and start adding the glitter. The yellow gold goes over the yellow, of course, and then I have like the orangish gold that's going to go over the orange. I have that hot pink that's going to like blend between that pink, and then also, you know, obviously we have the purple that's going to go at the end. And here I'm just re-emphasizing that blue because, like I said, I wanted that to stand out. So now that I've added all of my glitter, this is the final look before I add my lashes and I do my face. I think it's coming out really great. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to finish up our face, and I will be back with you guys in like 2.9 seconds. Ba-bam, we're back. Check this look out. So I did my face, I added my lashes, and like it looks so much better with lashes on, you guys. Like, oh my god, it looks freaking amazing. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna complete the eye. We're gonna add some color to our bottom lash line, and we went back into that Afrique palette. We went back into that lemon yellow, and we put that on the inner corners of our bottom lashes. Now we're switching up to the Zulu palette again, and I didn't show it in the video, I don't know why, but I basically went into that orange, and like basically the same pattern I have on the top is the same pattern I'm going to have on the bottom. It's going to go from that yellow to that orange to that pink back into that purple. So here we are going to add our highlight. What's a look without our highlight? Add it a little bit to the inner corners of your eyes. We're going to add some to our brow bone, and then of course we're going to add some to our point of our nose, just to kind of set everything off. I was trying to do something different when you put it between your eyebrows, but I didn't like it, so I took that away. So yeah. Now we're going to move on to our lip. We're just going to finish this look off with a clear gloss. This is the Clear by Ruby Kiss, and it's kind of like a jelly gloss. Really amazing. And just to bring everything together, I also added a little bit of that highlight palette to a lip brush, and I'm just gonna like highlight, I don't know what that thing's called, like your lip line or whatever. So this is the completed look. Please let me know what you guys think about it. I think this look came out really great. I really love the glitter. I feel like that really sets it off. So let me know in the comments, do you like this look? Would you wear this look? Yes you would, because this look is amazing. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.